Well, hello, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. Jiu-Jitsu 2000 here today. I'm back. I hope you guys are doing fantastic out there. In this video today, we're going to take a look at this Dewalt 12-volt XTREME brushless, cordless, 5 3/8 inch circular saw. And we're going to test the 2 amp hour stock battery and see how many cross cuts we get using this saw cutting through a standard 2x4. So this battery is fully charged. Let's go outside and get started. There you have it. That's it, folks. Let's take a look, and I'll count these here pretty soon. We'll see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. I'm guessing that would be 43, maybe 44, possibly 45. So that's quite a bit of cuts out of a single 2 amp hour battery. Now I'm going to come back up to the saw and see if it has anything left in the battery after it sat there for a second and got to cool down. So I had a total of 44, 45. Let's see if we have anything left. Nope. That is it, folks. We'll just say 45 cross cuts out of a standard 2x4, out of a single 2 amp hour battery. The saw did really well. That's pretty good for 2 amp hour. Well, folks, hopefully you enjoyed this video. That was a very simple one. 45 cross cuts out of a standard 2x4 using a 2 amp hour lithium ion rechargeable battery. 5 3/8 inch cordless brushless circular saw with the Frood blade. Now let's not forget that there's 3 18650 lithium ion batteries inside of this pack. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to leave your comments down below. Like this video, share this video, and until next time, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.